In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Evernote. Whether you're looking to simplify your digital life, or perhaps you no longer need the features that Evernote offers, closing your account can be a straightforward task when you know how to navigate the process. Allow me to guide you through it, step by step. To begin, you'll want to access your account info by logging in through Evernote Web. This is a crucial first step because while you can use Evernote on many devices, account settings and closures are typically managed directly online through the web interface for full access to all necessary options. So, ensure you have your username and password handy to log in securely. It's always a good idea to check that you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple. Once you're logged in, direct your focus to the left side navigation panel. This is where you'll find a variety of options to manage your account details. Look for Profile, which is the section that houses your account settings and personal information. Selecting this will bring you to a new page filled with options tailored to your user account. Now here's the part where you actually initiate the deletion of your account. Scan the page for a blue link that says, "Close your Evernote account." It should stand out against the lighter text on the page, making it easier to spot. Clicking on this link is your gateway to removing your account from Evernote's system. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to follow some additional instructions to confirm your decision to delete the account. This is an important aspect, as Evernote wants to ensure that you really wish to close your account and aren't acting on a hasty decision. Carefully read through the instructions and confirm your choice. Remember, it's always best to double-check whether there is any data or note you might want to export or backup since account deletion is permanent, and retrieving information after this process is not possible. Completing these prompts effectively closes your account. Take a moment to confirm that you've adhered to all steps and that you've received any confirmation messages from Evernote. And there you have it. A simple guide on how to delete your Evernote account. Thanks to the design of Evernote's web interface, this process is made user-friendly, ensuring you can carry out these steps smoothly. Remember, whenever you're managing personal accounts online, it's crucial to be certain about the information you're dealing with. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more of our guides to help manage and streamline your digital presence. Goodbye for now, and good luck with your future digital endeavors.